how it do. You already know how it be. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It's been a hot minute. I haven't shot long time. Last time we shot something, it was
what? Supercharged.
Was it supercharged? It was. No, it was supercharged.
It was the last.
No, I didn't shoot. Technically, I didn't shoot for the vlog at the other karting event. But we're getting a bit of practice in. Off seasons here. Race car stuff is slow. Yeah, it's off season for the race car.
Seasons here.
Nah, it's off season for a race car. Nah, this guy doesn't get it. This guy's a karting guy. This guy's big karting guy over here. Big karting energy. And then we got little karting energy back there.
That's rude. I'm in the back seat. I get it. All right, that's fine.
So, you know, we got the boys, Rookie Racing, Raiden Racing Co.'s farming team.
Okay.
Full throttle.
Full throttle, baby. So Full Throttle, Final Frontier Productions, Raiden Racing Co. What's the cooking company's name, huh?
Yeah, we'll call it. I don't know. We'll call it Rocket.
Rocket Foods. I don't know how that works.
Rocket Media.
Rocket Media. All the media companies are making an excursion out to Delaware today to go some karting. We're gonna get warmed up. I'm gonna do so bad because apparently there's a bunch of race car drivers there. So AKA, I'm using this shit as a networking opportunity so that they can all tell me not to build my BRZ. You guys are gonna come along for that. It's gonna be dope. It's gonna be whatever. You know what I mean? We're with the boys. We're gonna vlog. It's gonna be dope. I'm also gonna catch you guys up on like what the game plan is for the rest of the season while we wait for April to come around so we can talk about a little bit about grid life. So we'll talk then. All right, see you guys there.
Oh, you could probably get that.
Dude,
They're fixing it.
No, they're not. They're making it better.
They're making it worse.
It was really bad.
Dude, I'm just trying to process what it could have been. Because I'm like, honestly, dude, like,
The whole rear just gave out.
dude,
Like,
it was like driving on ice.
I was like this. I was fully turned, and I was just like, all right, why am I going straight? I just didn't understand what was happening.
Dude, it was just like the worst. I'm just like, oh, this is fine. I was just telling the vlog. I was like, this is fine. I'm watching everyone else take this turn, and all of a sudden it's just.
Yeah, but for some reason, some people are just getting more grip than me. I'm like, what's
Well, because I think they're slowing down.
Yeah,
and then I think like whatever they put on the ground, it cleared up.
in my head, I'm like, oh, the track is gonna get more grip. It's gonna get more grip.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, we'll see. I'll give you guys a review once we get back out and do our thing, and then Evan and I will vlog. It's whatever. You guys know what it is. This lighting sucks. Oh,
The
there it is.
zigzag day.
What a memer. Bro, can you imagine being the only two YouTubers in here? That's crazy.
Alright, Johnny. I don't know what the hell is going on. Sorry, excuse my language. I don't know what the...
It's alright. I'll bleep it out. It's alright. I gotta be PG-13.
What the heat was going
Did you
on.
talk about not eating earlier? Oh, that was your vlog.
That was his
Who
vlog,
said
yeah.
my stuff was PG-13?
Now I gotta mute that. I hope you're happy. No, I hope you're happy.
That was
Bro, like...
I like putting ducks out in the quack.
Dude, I just don't understand how that first turn was so greasy, and they're like, this is fine. I mean, it's not fair, though. Now they know that it's just, like, straight up slick. Yeah, and if you go wide in this thing, it's just, like... Exactly. It's brutal. It's a pretty brutal turn. But, you know, look, there. I mean, it's still greasy out. I'm watching, like, half of the car slip and slide. I don't know, man. I also gotta get my arms up. So, my arm day, kind of weak. Is there another watching area here? Oh, I don't think we can go in here. Look at this. Ooh. Look at that. It's all power slide, dude. And then it grips up immediately right after that. Oh, now I'm cramping his style. Look at this guy. Guy just starts doing donkey style. All of a sudden thinks he's hot. Look at this guy. Here's a little shameless plug for his little crush gym. What
the fuck to do?
All right, guys. So if I die, if I get really injured before GridLife this year, I'm gonna be tight, dog. But apparently, like, I don't know, like if they had let us know beforehand that not that it's cold, that it's greasy and there's no grip.
Yeah.
There's a difference between cold grip and no grip. You know what I mean? Right, Ev?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be great. It's gonna.
On my seat.
Ew, no.
I have to because this is just. I'm gonna get slammed. If someone hits me, I'm gonna be pissed.
Dude, everyone's gonna hit everyone, especially going to that turn.
I just don't want. Now I think I should wear a neck brace.
So we only got one practice session in. I absolutely ate shit. You guys just saw how the second practice session went. We're in the second qualifying. None of them is us. But we're gonna see how we do. We're gonna see how the boys do. You know how I do. You know how it be.
You just need a little grip. That's it.
Yeah, I'm hoping it grips up by the time we get out there. I don't know. I might qualify. I might go out for the qualifying session. Evan might go out. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. Yeah.
Like you can look at the grease though. You can see the reflection.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
We'll watch the first qualifying. See how it goes.
We'll see. We'll see how it goes. They're like doing stuff to the track. They're trying to fix it. They're trying to make it raceable. But I mean, even in the second practice, we watch people just smack into the wall. So we're gonna see. We'll figure it out. And if you're not taking the vlog now, I promise I'm going back to the regular car building stuff in the next one. I have a bunch of various stuff for the BRZ, a bunch of I have a short shifted install, a bunch of other fun stuff. We'll talk about it later. All right. Bye. Bro, I took the gnarliest spill, man. I'll put the footage here, but honestly,
Yeah, try to explain that to them.
dude, I was passing on the outside. I forget that it's slick out. The guy, I don't know what happened, but he kind of comes in, hits the apex, pushes me out, and I go straight into a wall.
No. Wrong career. Wrong.
See, pro drivers, rookie drivers.
Pro drivers know how to dance and golf. If you can't be a race car driver if you don't golf. That's like the number one rule.
Golf?
Yeah. It's the number one rule. Lando Norris.
Yeah. I just watched
Come on, every pro driver golfs.
Good, I'm a golfer.
I guess I gotta learn how to golf then.
That's good.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Soccer, baby. Football.
Sorry. Football. I love America.
How are you gonna race in Europe and not play football?
Okay, that's good. What's in my pocket? Oh. Sorry, I stopped.
This guy, he was changing his part in the system by himself and wasn't telling me. So I'm getting a little penalty because I think he has all his pit stops done, but I didn't get him because he just fucking
Yeah,
changed
you
them by
can just
himself.
go. Yeah.
So
Yeah, Alan was
P10, baby. One tragic accident later, Evan brings it home.
right off the track.
Okay, you died. It's fine. I also died. It's whatever. Evan and John saving it for the gang, guys. Glow up. I'm hyped up right now. So John got caught cheating.
I did.
Big cheats. He cut the track. He said, "I'm gonna go straight through all the barriers." And then he got stuck.
Up the barrier.
And then he got stuck. I decided I'm gonna drive through this wall.
Who
It's
needs a
fine.
helmet? Who needs a helmet?
Bro, I hope someone else has that footage because I'm gonna be kind of tired.
I don't know if someone probably has.
I hope someone has that footage
I just
of
wanna
me
see
like
that-
going. I'm gonna show them real quick the footage of me crashing. You guys already saw it, but gotta show them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I am traumatized. So I try to pass on the outside. He goes wide. I go wide.
It looks like you.
I know, that looks like the best.
That actually.
You just say I got ejected from my cart. That's all you should say.
Yeah.
That'll go viral.
Is that good? That was good.
What you don't see
when acting,
guys.
Yeah.
Actor? He can be an actor.
Yeah, I could be an actor. Someone said I should be an actor today.
Wait, hold on, I gotta make my thumbnail.
Oh, my knee hurts. Goddamn. I got slammed in the side into a wall.
Pause.
No, the pauses were better before when I told him when he was like, yo, don't worry, I'll finish this off. And I was like, yeah, I was like,
Stop.
Okay, well now this is only 8 pit stops, so.
Yeah, but I lost time here, so.
Everybody lost time, that doesn't matter. You only did 8 pit stops.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What team are you guys?
she doesn't answer.
I felt quick in that last stint. I was like dive bombing some people at the end too, because like the guy was on my ass. I was like, oh, and like some traffic came. I was like, send it, send it, send it. I put off one move, like dive bombing somebody into the freaking in turn 1. I was like, oh, that was so sexy.
Man, these guys all ranting about their 26, their 20.6, their 20.9s. How about me, baby? 21 flat. How hard is that?
And no helmet.
And no helmet. Yo, they're not ready for me.
Yeah.
They're not ready for the tan Daniel Ricciardo of karting.
Daniel Ricciardo.
Even though he's already tan and Australian. He already has a one-up on me. It's pretty great. But I am Brazilian. I am in some way, shape, or form related to Senna. So no, that's not true at all. I suck. So
Soccer, good at racing, good at soccer,
yeah, go ahead. Don't be shy.
good at soccer,
We're gonna making coffee.
dancing.
Yeah, you guys have great food.
Shakira.
Shakira is not Brazilian.
You guys don't have Shakira, all right?
Yo, who would have thought Buzz races racist?
That's crazy.
Cancel. Yeah, but that full throttle guy though, not racist. Who would have thunk?